post-match press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the NU Lady Bulldogs in 5 sets. We have Coach Fabio Menta, Cassie Dongallo, Jelly Gajero, and Nina Kita. Coach, congratulations for this thrilling win. You're down 0-2 in sets and you're trailing 13-9 in the 5th set. So what can you say about the girls' grit to pull this off?
Well, first of all, I'm not sure everybody understands what we do every day at UP. We work so hard. We are sick. I'm totally sick. This girl played with cramps for 3 sets. I think Polanco is still crying for the cramps. It's an amazing group. We work hard. Sorry, my voice is gone. We work very hard. And we're trying to understand that volleyball is like life. Some days are good, some days are bad. You never give up. You come back stronger until it works. So today was the best example that we could have these girls to grow up, mature, as women also, not only as players. And I think we are on the right path to do good things.
Thank you, Coach Cassie. 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 4 digs, and 4 extra receptions. So yun nga, down kayo ng 0-2 pero hindi kayo tumiglop. So ano masasabi mo na ito pinakamalaki yung panalo this season against the defending champions? So,
ayun po. Masaya, syempre, kasi ayun nga, nanalo kami against NU. And yung nasa isip ko lang po talaga at that time is to fight for the team. Kasi ayun po yung lagi sinasabi ng seniors namin na andito na kami and wala namang mawawala sa amin kung ibibigay lang namin lahat. So ayun po, nag-push na talaga kami hanggang dulan. Ayun, nakuha po namin yung panalo.
Thank you. And to Jedi, 15 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 11 exit receptions, and 3 digs. So talagang wala ka lang ng palo, pero talagang grabe yung effort ng pinakita mo. So ano mga sabi mo na yun nga, tinalo nyo defending champion?
Dahil din po na sinabi nila na we work very hard every day. Tapos, lagi lang po nasa isip ko is this group baka hindi na paulit-ulit. Kasi may mga seniors kami na graduating. So, ang sa nila po every game talaga nilalaban ko na kasi baka hindi na ulit paulit. So, parang bigyan din sila at least magandang exit sa UP. Yung po yung nasa isip ko.
Lastly, Ninian, 10 of 20 attacks, 7 blocks, 1 service, 8. So yun nga, previous loss nyo, hindi nga nag-ibigay na result against Salt. And yun nga, down kayo ng 2 sets, pero eventually nanalo kayo. So ano yung sinabi mo sa mga teammates mo habang ito down na down kayo?
Lagi ko pong sinasabi sa kanila na kaya po namin. And kailangan lang po talaga namin maniwala na kayang-kaya namin yan. And dapat, pag lumalaban po kami, dapat may puso po. Sa lahat ng laro, may puso, may laban. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, magtiwala kayo, kayang-kaya natin yan. Push lang, hindi pa natatapos, wala pang 25, wala pang 15, pero nahabol namin. And I'm very, very proud sa teammates ko kasi pinagtrabahuan po talaga namin. Teamwork po talaga. And also, this is gonna be a reminder that we have to be humble kahit anong result ng game. Dapat humble and wag makontento sa kung anong napakita namin. Dapat everyday we get better and better. Yun po.
Thank you, Ninya. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, just to get things out of the way in terms of health, obviously we saw Ira as a libero earlier and Joan had the chance to play. How's the team looking in terms of condition? Are there any injuries that are bothering the team?
The day we play Ateneo, we had 5 players with back problems, and we played 5 sets. 48 hours to recover against a great team like La Salle were not enough, and you saw it. We didn't even start the game. So in the last 2 days, I cut by half the length of the training. We've done more intensity and quality because we needed to save the legs. So today, cramps here and there. You know, when your back hurts, the next is you start limping and vice versa. So we had to readjust the whole program, and actually 3 players were not even in the roster because they are redoing the physical preparation to have better. We do tests once a month and before every game. And last time it was really bad. and you saw we couldn't play against LaSalle. So today, I think is a fruit of planning, programming, I would say intelligence, because we didn't go hard, we just studied more, and because we know how to play volleyball, but not in a bad level. So that's the main situation that led us to this performance.
For Jelay and Cassie, probably one of the biggest wins to sa collegiate career nyo. Siguro, ano na lang yung tumatakbo sa isip nyo ngayon na yun nga, naabot nyo tong win na to and sobrang laki din ng part na ginawa nyo para makuha to.
Parang speechless po. Hindi, di ko po maano yung emotions ko ngayon kasi syempre, first time namin to manalo against a big team. And I'm just so happy na meron kaming seniors na nag-guide sa amin sa loob ng court and also sa system ni Fabio. Parang we just have to be like focused lang sa loob ng court and parang tumulong kami kung ano yung kaya namin itulong para
Ako, very happy. I think since high school ako, ito yung first time na natalo namin yung NU college. So, when nasa UE kami, hindi namin sila, kahit kuha ng set ata, hindi ko. So, sobrang saya ko po na nanalo kami with the help of system ni Fabio po and yung mga seniors namin.
Ninya, ano na lang masasabi mo dun sa character ng teammates mo? Sobrang daming nag-contribute ngayon. Even yung setter, si Kizzy, and then si Bien, siya yung nag-score ng last two. Ano na lang, gano'n ka-proud ka na lang dun sa lahat ng nasa roster niyo?
Sobrang proud po talaga. Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, all day, kaya namin ipakita ng ganun kami. So, dapat trabaho, walang tigil. Nire-remind ko lang talaga sa kanila na pag may nakitang bola, itaas. Walang lalapag na bola. So, ayun. And I'm so proud. All day.
Derby.
Kanina, nagawa niyo na itong mismong panalo na to last year, 5 sets din against NU. How harder was it to do it the second time around?
Of course, sobrang hirap po kasi galing po kasi kami sa talo. So yung confidence po namin talaga is masyadong mababa. That's why nahirapan din talaga kami na sa first and second set. We were thinking na kaya ba to? But kailangan mag-show up eh. Kailangan talaga eh. Kasi atin to eh. This is our season. We are manifesting that this is gonna be our season. So kaya kailangan trabaho, walang titigil. At puso lang talaga.
And Cassie and Jelay, kumbaga, yung umpisa niyo sa UP, medyo may part pa siguro nakangapa or pinapakiramdaman yung laro niyo dati. Masasabi niyo bang nabalik niyo na yung, kumbaga, yung uniform mo, yung high school form mo Jelay ngayon, so medyo nandun pa rin sa process na kailangan mo, marami pang pagdaan bago mabalik yung prime na yun.
For me po, I think marami pa din talaga akong kailangan i-work on. And sa laro naman ngayon, parang ano na yun eh, kumpensa talaga sa sarili na parang gabay din nila. Alam mo yun, kasi syempre nakikita mo yung mga teammates mo, yung mga seniors mo na nagpupush talaga. And andun yung mindset ko na I have to contribute to the team. Hindi pwedeng parang andun lang ako sa loob ng court para mabuo yung 6. So, I think marami pa akong kailangan i-improve, but I can also say na I'm getting there.
Sa akin po, same din kay Cassie. Ang dami po namin kailangan i-work on. Kita naman, yung passing namin talaga, medyo nag-struggle pa. Pero everyday po, tinatrabaho namin sila. Tapos, partly din po dun yung tapang ng isip na kahit wala sa form, basta paangat natin to. Yeah. Yun po yung win-work on namin everyday.
Ninya, ayun nga, nagawa niyo ng talunin yung NU last year, pero this year nagawa niyo ulit at sinasabi mo na, kumbaga this is your year na, ano lang yung nagbago para mo masabi niyo yun na minamanifest niyo ito yung taon niyo ngayon?
Backstory. So, dapat po last year na dapat ako nung last season ko. Dapat magpo-pro na dapat ako. But yung mga coaches, mga teammates ko, they were my inspiration to stay. Yung mga seniors po nakasama ko ngayon, they wanted to stay. Na dapat bago kami umalis, maganda yung result ng season namin. So, yun lang talaga ang naging dahilan kung bakit kailangan season namin to. Kasi kaya kami nagstay para dito. So, ayun po.
Coach, as much as you don't want to see your players tire themselves out, as much as you don't want to have these long games, long stretches, that's two reverse sweeps for the team. Can you just talk about, I guess, again, the character that maybe you want to see in the coming games, and maybe do you want to avoid these things the next time these happen?
Yesterday, before training, and this morning before training, because we took 7 passes in the morning to already put the head in the game. And we know that against the NU, the champions, we have to serve well and wait and block. More important even than spiking. I told the girls that people judges us every day, but we know where we're going. So we cannot waste time in a good day and a bad day to get too excited or too depressed because people are laughing at us like at the last game. So the intelligence of this group is exactly there. They know that the game starts, what time they start, they don't know what time they finish. So they focus, we try to focus full time. So this idea that people are always saying what we do today, but we have a plan to go to Final Four at the end of the season, is slowly kicking in and make us believe that next set we can do it, next set we can do it. So it happened against Ateneo, it happened against NU. It's not a coincidence. It's the fruit of a new mentality, which is not new because UP Fight is written since 1908 somewhere. So the idea is that now we finally embrace the idea that we have to go hard up to the last ball and succeed. That's the promise we gave each other.
Enjoy this win, coach, and the players. Congratulations.